Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about creating a table. So let's see what is it. So to create a table in MySQL, use the create table statement. Make sure you define the name of the database when you create the connection. Okay, so first we have to create, if you want to create a table in MySQL, you have to use the function create table. Then only the content will able to understand that you are going to create the table and it will create a connection over there. So on screen, you can see that I have mentioned all the text here, how to create a table. Okay, so first I have used the connector that is going to you connect it. I have used the host, user, password and database. So if I want to create a table, what I will do, I will just write my cursor dot execute create table customers, and for what all the things I want to create the table, I will mention all the details here. Fine. So first is the name and then address, and these are the few kinds of terms that I need to mention over there. So I will just write all the contents here. After that, I will just, if I'm going to run this all content, then you can see on screen that the connection is going to connect here and the code is working properly. So this is how you need to create a table over there. You can add the password and every single details that you want to mention there. Once again, I will just write it here and then I will run the code, and then it is working like that. So that is how you are going to work on it. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.